All right, guys, Camis. We all have them, we all know them, we all love them, but this one has that special twist that you need to go under or over any outfit. Stay tuned for 3 outfits that I have styled a cage front cami with. I know you guys are gonna love them. Cage front camis are all the rage right now. They're the perfect basic to go under anything and just add a little bit of flair. As you can tell, I just took this kind of deeper V top and put a cami underneath, and it took it to a completely new level. I am obsessed with the way they look, and I can't wait to show you guys the other styles I have. For this one, I wanted to show how you should not be afraid to wear one under even a super busy top. This top is so fun, it's got all this embroidery, but I decided to throw on a colorful cage front cami underneath to just give it even more pizzazz. Is that a word people use still? I don't know, but I love it. I love the way this looks, and on to the next. All right, now I'm showing you guys it under things, but don't be afraid to wear it as your normal top too. I just tucked it into a high-waisted pair of jeans and paired this super cute white denim jacket over it. It's just the perfect undershirt. It's the perfect accessory. It's just amazing for anything. These are going to take your wardrobe to a whole new level. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Let us know what else you want to see from us, and we'll see you in the next one.